Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Sorry to interrupt your workday, but we had some news that we wanted to get in front of our Sage 100 contractor clients. So if that's not you, thanks for checking in. We'll catch you next time. For the rest of you that are using 100 Contractor, we did want to give you an update. They released version 26 last fall, and several clients moved to it right away for specific reasons, and we've been testing it. More recently, people are moving to it to get the latest tax tables. So the new version is out. We want to get the 2025 federal tax tables. And for some of the states, they've reported in, so many of you are doing that upgrade now. So the change that Sage made a while back to the copy-paste process between an Excel document and the data entry grids in 100 Contractor now has come up that they did make some changes. So what's happening is people who have an Excel file, they have the columns in a particular order with values in it, and they have a process where they paste out the copy out of that and paste it into a Sage specific screen. What's happening now is the columns are not lining up as they always have, and it does turn out that Sage has made some changes. It seems that different entry screens are behaving differently as we test what's going on with this copy process. But we've had several clients reach out to us where they've done their process they've done for literally years, and now the data is ending up in the wrong columns. So please be aware of this. Please share this with your team, especially anyone doing any entry in those entry screens of Sage 100 Contractor. And in the meantime, we'll see if we can figure out a little bit more about what was changed and what you can do. If it's not working, you need some help, either generating a new query or a new template, reach out. We'll be happy to help you with that as well. Sorry for the news, but we wanted to let you know right away you're not going crazy. It really is behaving differently, and it seems to be related to a version 26 change. Again, call with any questions. For now, thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.